It's 102.1 at WDRM. Dingo and Blair, thanks for starting your morning off with us. We appreciate it. Got a friend in the studio this morning, Sam from Fleming Roofing and Restoration, which they've come out and saved my tail more than once. If you ever have any issues with your roofing, commercial or residential, give Sam and his guys a call. They'll take good care of you. But you're not here to talk about roofing, are you?
No, Dingo. We're here to talk about our Crawfish Bowl this Saturday at the Furniture Factory in downtown Huntsville.
A Crawfish Bowl. Let me tell you, everyone loves a good crawfish bowl, and it's hard to get a good one around here, but it looks like you got one planned. Tell everybody what to expect coming out there.
Well, we're hosting this Crawfish Bowl to support our local firefighters, the Huntsville Firefighters Association, and we're going to be selling all-you-can-eat wristbands for $35 a piece, or you can get a table 5 for $250, and we'll give you 5 T-shirts and 5 hats.
Okay, and that's going on this weekend.
Yep, this Saturday, May the 20th, 11 to 5 o'clock at the Furniture Factory.
All right, 11 to 5 o'clock at the Furniture Factory. Bring your friends out, enjoy some crawfish, and then that money, again, $35 a ticket, and you said $250. That's a good deal right there.
Yeah, $250 for 5 people. We're going to give you 5 Fleming roofing hats. They're pretty nice, and we're going to give you 5 Crawfish T-shirts.
Okay, and again, that money you're raising's going to do what?
Hey, we're going to donate all proceeds from the benefit to the Huntsville Firefighters Association to support our local firefighters and our first responders.
It don't get much better than that. Now, are you going to be doing the cooking? Where did you come up with this idea?
Yeah, I'm going to be doing the cooking. I just love a good crawfish bowl, like you said. We're going to have some hot, and we're going to have some habanero hot. So we're going to try and get all the people out there that love them crawfish really hot.
Yeah, and I haven't done one of these since college. It seemed like, honestly, I start thinking back to fraternity parties and things of that nature.
Hey, there's never a bad reason to have some crawfish and a beer.
And again, that's going to be taking place where?
At the Furniture Factory, May the 20th from 11 to 5.
And where do they get tickets?
They can call the office, or they can just show up at the gate, and we'll sell them one right there.
Call your office at Fleming Roofing?
That's right.
Phone number is?
256-651-9440.
And you can show up just that day, too?
Yeah, we'll sell them to you right at the gate. We got plenty of room, and we got 500 pounds of crawfish, so I think we're going to be good.
It sounds like it. I know I'm going to have to head that direction this Saturday at the Furniture Factory. Thanks, Sam.
Thanks, Dingo.